Oh, I've already been at work. I'm already knackered. Let me show you what's going on. So we've got a radiator going in here, which there's never been a radiator there before. So we've got to find somewhere with a radiator. Now, I've already started doing the hardest part of the job, because it's that the hardest, then it makes it a lot easier. So we found some 10mm pipe here, opened up the floor, we measured from the end wall, from the external wall across underneath, so we know that we can come up just there. Can't go any further that way. Right, best level on the market. Look how handsome that is. Very handsome looking. Alright, so that's come up perfect. Nice. Nope. Yes, that's how it wants to go. Right, so that's the top of the radiator. Measuring down to the bracket, which has been hooked on. It is 3135, I'd say. So that's the top of the radiator. So I've measured up the other radiators in the house. That's where they come up to. And they're all 600. Measure my down, so that's the top of the bracket. And then that's the widths of the brackets. Oh, look at that. Tested the placement, customer's happy. We're going to put the RV in the corner. Lead valve, easy to access on the left. Right, so the pipes can get painted. Radiator's on. We soldered up that nice little swoopy bend round. Then there's a drain off hidden right underneath. So there we go. Right, so we've got to connect that now to those. We have been downstairs, fit another radiator first. But with notching, get yourself these backhoe knives and let me show you how I do top notching. Right, so you've got your chisel, you lay it that way, so you got it cut head on there. It's not like a normal chisel, it's got a sharp edge down here, it's got a striking plate on the top. Lay it on like that. Then you just knock it out to whatever height you obviously want it. So makes it easy. And there we go, another great tool by people at Backhoe. Now how much of a nightmare is that going to be to get 15 across? I could do 10mm. I've got a 10mm coil. I could do coil it up, super easy, get it to there, and then just do that bit in 15. Okay, well I've got my 10mm. How do I want to do this? So just loop around here. Can I do it like that? Where is it? There it is. Oh, 10mm easy. Easy stuff. Right. There's one. Yeah, we've got it riveted in place, so let's just get these cleaned up. to solder on a T. Luckily, oh, there we go. There's always going to be enough play on these. Do the other one over there. Nice whooping bend because I haven't got 10mm benders, but it should be good. Only problem with 10mm, 8mm, 10mm, you can overheat, and then what it'll do is it'll push the solder out. So low flame. Right, I'm having a cuppa before I do anything because I know I'm going to be running around, and if there's a leak, I'm going to be really pissed off because who doesn't love soldering 8mm and 10mm pipe? It's the best. So let's get it filled. I love a vertical tail rail. It's how am I going to do this without spilling it? There we go. For that, I think that's, yeah. So far, so good. Right, it's all filled up. Can anyone give me the name of this? What do you call it? I've always been taught that it was called German lagging. Oh, I'm knackered. I'm back home. I forgot to film an outro, so this is the outro. Subscribe. If you don't subscribe, it means you hate this dog. And this dog does not take rejection well. You don't want the people to hate you, do you? You don't want people hating you. You got to subscribe. So each subscriber is one love for my for my puppy. Right, subscribe, motherfuckers. See you on the next one.